and the famous Great Understand. He says wellness is the complete integration of body, mind, and spirit. The realization that everything we do, think, and believe has an effort and an effect on the state of our well-being. The reason why ke go rakere kana ke go haya ne puye ke gona gore mo dumela Botswana laboraro mo le mo rena le mo re butsana le re wellness Wednesday gora jela go dipuisano tsa rona moso wa gompieko ke tebeng di kgathala ka boso go ba gago ja tlhaloganyo mmele ga mmogo le moya mme Mahatma Gandhi ena a bua are it is health that is real wealth, not pieces of gold and silver. But welcome to Dumela Botswana moso go peko laboraro me moso go peko kopanyana gape jaaka itse simotsa ka mosuporo go la bobedi me kopanya le na Bernard Benbiwa ga magatsho. Thank you so much for tuning in this morning. Me ra go tsodisa gape re mathula go nya moso go peko le la bone ga mogola batho di gela jalo ne big e ke tsang ke re ipimela go bo re gone go e bona ka botse gone gore ga se ka bothale ja gago kana jame ke bothale ja modimo me ga ke no se ke tsama le khaitsere ke o ke moratang hela thata looking gorgeous as always. LB, good morning.
Good morning. How are you?
Well, I'm well. Okay. Like well.
That is actually the lowest that you've been this week. I need you to pick it up, sir. It's Wellness Wednesday, and you need to see the well in your...
But fantastic, no complaints or whatsoever. Yeah.
A lot going on in the world.
Yeah.
I wonder, because sometimes it can be overwhelming.
Yeah.
Do you ever take breaks from social media? Or news, or keeping up with what's going on? Because Monday.
Yeah.
Everything that happened, because there was so much going
happening.
on.
Yeah,
you know what I
yeah.
mean? And sometimes it can be a lot
Very
overwhelming.
Yeah,
it can be
yeah.
Information overload as well. And on our mental health, it can take a toll.
Yeah.
Connected with trend among come so botela dijo tsa mongwe khantele mongwe ga toa tronkong ka moso go utlile madi.
Let me tell you something.
Yeah.
And I'm glad you asked that question because ha ke re ke breaking social media. I'm actually call up ngena ke lebetselo channel 404 which is South African news as well as BBC.
Right.
A lot is happening. How people are mad at Tanzania.
There's
happening.
War going
There's
on.
war going on.
Petroleum, it's a lot.
Yeah,
and it can take a really big toll on you. And it can feel like it can lead you to be hopeless as well. And a lot of the times when I start to feel that hopelessness, especially when I hear about GBV reporting,
and there's a very sad case a guy the girlfriend's
throat.
Yeah,
exactly. And you know, I often will, whenever I start to feel that that overwhelming, like we're never gonna win the fight against GBV. Oh my goodness, it's too much. I often do put my phone down and delete the apps. And I'm
you
just
do
like,
that?
Yeah, I will delete the app from my phone because how many times do you find yourself scrolling? And you're like, I don't even remember picking up my phone. So I will delete Facebook. I don't even have TikTok anymore.
Yeah.
I deleted it because I was like, I'm spending too many hours scrolling.
Yeah.
I will delete Instagram. I will delete these apps for however long I need. Sometimes it's a month, sometimes it's 2 months. And then I will come back and I'll be like, oh look, it's new. It feels like
and you know you want to talk about it when people are
But anyway, thank you so much for waking up with us. Kitsa kere ha ile gore lo ena o ithela ile gore wa imela motho ha modimo ke go hile advice o ka tsa break yo ne wa delete tsone dio tse take your time off of apps such as YouTube and you know read a book, do something that you haven't done before, ride a horse, you know, something different. But thank you so much for waking up with us. This is Dumela Botswana, the breakfast show. On a Wednesday, it is Wellness Wednesday. Gora re tla be re ntse na ka ntse le tsone tsa botsogo mo puisanong ya rona ya ntha ya mo letsatsing ele gore tla be tshwere ke nna re tla be re bua jalo ka mathata a tang le go lwala bolwetse jwa sukiri kana ditlamorago dingwe tse e leng gore di ka go ama mo mosong wa gompieno re itebagantse thata le mo go teng diabetic retinopathy. Diabetic retinopathy go tewa hela go te go lwala ga matho mo go bakiwang ke go lwala bolwetse ba sukiri.
Yeah, the side effects of diabetes.
Of diabetes on your eyes, and we're going to walk through it. Type 1 diabetes, type 2 diabetes, how it affects you, what retinopathy is, how you can spot it early. So that the doctors can do the best that they can to either fight them or avoid bad damage.
Of course, and a lot happened yesterday. A lot is supposed to happen today on our local football cycles, and but time's up. So let's. I know what you want to say.
What happened?
yone ne tsama ka tsenza metara re ga jalo ka puisano ya mete beng ke tshwere ka kwano ga mo go le Jade Solomon. She is the founder of Opela Nana. It is an educational and entertainment program for bana ba ilong gore ba bata jalo gore ba ithute in a much more fashionable way. So ke sa taruto ke ene Jade Solomon go gore mise sente go thule ke eng gore a simole jalo kgwebo ya go nna jana. Me, if you want to strengthen your muscles and support your spine and core, this morning Daniel Moeng has got you covered. Jaaka ta ba re bontsha gore me a di ba jalo ka core and can do exercises re bua ka ga so this is Dumela Botswana on a Wellness Wednesday.
Welcome to the Benal Session Studio. Myself, Daniel Moeng, and Kumo. Okay, so today we're going to do a core and cardio workout. Are you ready for this? Okay. All right, the first thing we have to do is obviously stretch, okay? So I need you with your hands forward and push down. Push down. Let's go. Just get that blood flowing. Now take it back. That's one, and up and down. Okay, shake it off. Shake it off.
Burnout section.
All right, so let's start off with the cardio, okay? So cardio, fingertips on your ears. I need you to just touch the knee, then touch the toe, okay? Are you ready? In 3, 2, 1, let's go. Knee, toe, knee, toe, 2, 3, 4, 5. Nice one, the other side. Ready? Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Nice one, shake it off. Shake it off. Next one, skipping rope. So move those hands, imaginary skipping rope. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Shake it off. Shake it off. Shake it off. Next one, on your heels. Okay, are you ready?
Sections.
Let's go. 1, lean back. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Shake it off. Shake it off. Let's go down. Let me fix the mic. Okay. Next one, we're going to do bicycles. Okay? Are you ready? And let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4,
Burnout
5,
sections.
6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Nice one. Next one, lie all the way down. We're going to slide our hands to the knees, okay? And let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6,
Burnout sections.
7, 8, 9, and 10. Nice one. Now you're going to do heel touches. So side to side, okay? Are you ready? In 3, 2, 1, and let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7,
Burnout sections.
8, 9, and 10. Nice one. Turn around. Okay. Plank, straight, touch, back, touch, back. Are you ready? Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Keep straight. 6, 7, 8, 9,
Burnout
and
sections.
10. Nice one. Let's get up.
One priority.
That wasn't that tough, right? All right. Okay, let's shake it off. Let's just shake it off. Okay? Let's touch the toes. Windmill. Nice one. Let's go up. Shake it off. That's it from us today. Core and cardio. Nice stuff. Easy stuff. Thank you again, Kumo. And well done to you too.
It's going to be a long morning for me. It's gonna be a long morning for me. I mean, literally, I left my eyes at home. Imagine. But anyway, let's try to do this. I need it. Let's try to do this. I just want to let Botswana Chess Federation by long horm. But as a the 2025 FIDE kana the FIDE rate. Please Chess Championship mahelo abike ano me ka itselo gore committee encha e se tswang go thomiwa emeteledipele ya mothusa moeteledipele wa yone eleng o nkemetse ke abofe o thalise jalo gore this championship e tla thusa jalo batshamiki gore ba khona go tsholetsa jalo the rankings o na bua se ja ka nne a buisana jalo le ba BTV Sport go utwa jalo ka ha leng gore sengwe le sengwe se tsamaya ka teng me o ka itselo gore ke tournament e leng gore re tabana jalo the men and women's under 18 boys and girls categories me eta tshwara jalo ka mathaso ka ko University of Botswana go tshamikwa jalo 11 rounds batshamiki ba ta khona gore ba ikgapela madi o tshimela jalo ka 2.5 for first position, 1.5 second position, 1,000 for third position amongst the others. Arutwe jalo mo the vice president wa lekgotla la Botswana Chess Federation.
So far so good dilo di tsamaya sentle re tsogile sentle ko federationeng a gona dipe tse di nang le makgoreletsi gona le tse dintsi tse leng gore re tlhoka go di dira in terms of making sure that our sport send to the international standards. We need to engage with other committees. We need to engage with players and also with parents.
Artse jalo mo go tsa le go tla Botswana Chess Federation re go komela jalo mo tsile maabane ja ka nne gona le phuthego ya bobega dikgang ko eleng gore mokatisi wa stopper sa the Zebras Morena Cuthbert Budi ona a ile gore bolella jalo stopper sa gagwe se se tale banjalo ka ko Algeria ga mmogo jalo le Mozambique go tshameka metshameko yone ya the World Cup qualifiers o ka itsele gore stopper seo se emela jalo ka mathatso me ba ta tshameka jalo le Algeria ka di 4 tsa ga September me re ka di 8 tsa ga September e be re kopana jalo le Hatshelone ele la Mozambique. The Zebras excuse me, the Zebras ba leng gore ba mo group G re na le Algeria, Mozambique, Uganda, Guinea, ga mmogo jalo le Somalia e mo maemong a boraro ena jalo le 9 points me go tsetse metshameko e le mene e leng gore coach Ramorebudi ha dumelana le ba lekgotla la Botswana Football Association o tshwanetse gore a bone at least 7 points out of the 12 points gore re kgone gore gongwe hantse go tswalla pele go le ka go ipatela metshameko go phatharada ke go metshamekong ya the World Cup Botswana e ka bona sengwe BTV Sport ene e le ka kophuthegong eo ya bobega dikgang pele re go tsa jalo ka stopper seo sothe gore se me ka tselentseng jang.
The discussion was that they have played a lot of matches and some of the matches they played with injuries, and to some extent we felt that it will not be fair honestly because it was a discussion. It will not be fair for us honestly to have them now because they will be going back for pre-season in a week's time. Assistance we are looking for from the club and also engaging them. We ended up agreeing that Mr. Orebonye will be, maybe if the medical team approves that he's ready to play, he might join us for the Mozambique game. As for Mr. Ditlhokwe, looking at the number of minutes that he has played and also with some injuries, we felt that if we need him going forward, we rather allow him to rest now
Okay, tsele gore setlhopha seo se se rileng jalo ka go itsone phoko ko Johnny Galaxy ke agile Kgosipula ko Mochudisana Chiefs Kabelo Dambe ko Township Rollers Alfred Velapi Gaborone United Butsile Sakana tota ko Orapa United Muthusi Johnson ko Gaborone United Benson Kitso Mangolo ka ko Richards Bay ka ko South Africa Tebogo Kopela Johnny Galaxy mo Shaha Laolo Township Rollers Shanganani Ganda ka ko Mochudisana Chiefs ga mo le Thabolina nyane ke ko setlhopha sa Johnny Galaxy gape mohutsi aleka ko Montlidia Club mme Mothusi Cooper Township Rollers Leboga Nditsile Gaborone United Panyesa Rameng Swa Flamingos Karabo Phiri Gaborone United Gilbert Baruti Mochudisana Chiefs Mphakgaswane Gaborone United Thapelo Babedi ka ko BDF11 thata ya one Khamanyane ko Gaborone United Serati Semadi ka ko Swa Flamingos Thabo Maponda aleka ko Gaborone United Therositsile ko Johnny Galaxy Thabansi Sinyi Johnny Galaxy o Shadiko Mochudisana Chiefs Sogola me boy Swa Flamingos ga mogolo tumisang o re bonye ale ka ko Wydad Morocco o ka itse lo re stopper se ya ka Ngo utile coach Ramorebudi setabo sena jalo se sena jalo the team captain ke bua ka thata ya one TT Ditlhokwe ga tumisang ene tota game ya Algeria he's not gonna play it game ya ka e tshameka ke ya Mozambique because of the many games they have played this season and season ya ko Libya I understand TT is still around tare ka bodi 8 tsa September be le gore o boela jalo ko Libya literally the league ba hilo jalo 2 weeks break or bona break nyana and then you come back and these are the games we need to be honest to ourselves.
Right.
We need to be honest. And I'm going to be honest.
How are you going to be honest?
We unfortunately can qualify for World Cup.
Okay.
We should use these games Africa Cup of Nations ka December. This is the time for other players to say, you know what, coach, we all know what TT is capable of doing. We all know what TT can do. We all know what Teenage can do and what he can give us as a country. But this is the time for other players to say, coach, for consideration, Haria kako Morocco ka December because their World Cup it's just uphill.
Yeah, it is a hard tournament to qualify for, I think, and I can see why you would say that, and I think that would be a positive approach by Coach Ramorebudi to at least give us the best chance at succeeding when we get out to the Africa Cup of Nations, because when I think about the group matches that we have Guinea, we have Senegal, we have Benin, we have DR Congo. Those will be very tough. Hard games that are coming back to back, and even out at AFCON, just getting out of those group stages will still be even more difficult, and getting as many matches under our belts will be helpful. The interesting conversation I think that came out of yesterday's press conference will be the absence of Sakanye.
Well, I can talk about it. Okay. Okay, Kabelo Sakanyang, when we played Somalia, he wasn't really happy with the substitution. He had conversations with the coach.
He said,
never call me to your team. And he did what Sakanyang asked. And I'm here thinking, who should be the bigger person in this instance? I mean, emotions were high probably, but then after Lukula who should come to Omungwa I say that I apologize. Say, did you really mean what you said? I should not call you. So he is coming on Friday. That's the good thing. And one person who clear it, he will clear it up. I'm just going to ask him that question. In this, like, who should be the bigger person between the coach and the player?
And find out if maybe he did try to have a conversation with the player and receive an apology.
He is an honest person, he will tell.
Yeah, I also think, though, he's setting a precedent, and I think it's important, especially when you're this fresh in the team. You want to set a tone for what will I accept and what will I not accept. And especially with the international players, if you allow the international players to get away with a lot, then the local players or the ones who are playing locally can also start to push your buttons. So I can see why he would.
He is the leader of the team. He knows what best and what can work better for him. But anyway, let's move on. Coach Morana Ramorebudi re terute mo go ene a re go komela jalo go ba Premier League re simolla jalo ka go thalosa gore ba khonne gore ba hira jalo the new chief executive ya ka motsila maabane ba ne ba ntsha jalo mokwalo o tlhalosang gore the Botswana Football League Board of Directors would like to announce officially that Mr. Billy Sekgororwane is the new executive officer at the BFL effective Wednesday 27 August. That's today. Good luck. First day in office. Mr. Sekgororwane is a seasoned corporate executive who has previously served amongst others as the chief executive officer at MultiChoice Botswana twice, chief executive officer of MultiChoice Ghana, chief executive officer of Deluxe Botswana. The BFL board is confident that Mr. Sekgororwane will bring his commercial, corporate governance and transformational leadership abilities to the league, helping to transform it into one of the best managed and most viable global. You know what? Good luck, Mr. Sekgororwane. We will definitely knock in your office. Re te ruto gore wa re tshwaretse eng go go tsa bolo. Re ntse re le mo go tsone tseo tsa kgwele ya dinao. Itse le gore mo tsela gompieko ona le motshameko e tshamekiwang mme ke tsela re motshameko e tshamekiwang jalo ka kwa Samson Stadium ka kwa Silibe Phikwe Stapa sa NAKO United ba kopana jalo le Motshedisana Chiefs. Santa Green yone ka kwa Phalape Stadium ka 4:00 le bone ba tsa jalo Stapa sa Gaborone United mme ka 6:00 ka kwa Johaneng ka kwa Galaxy Stadium Johaneng Galaxy ya amogela jalo Orapa United mme motshameko mongwe o teng ka 6:00 ka kwa Gaborone United Stadium Stapa sa Township Rollers ba kopana jalo le Black Lions. Motshameko mongwe o teng ke ka kwa Obed Itani Chilume Stadium ya ka Stapa sa Traffic ba tsa jalo Swa Flamingos. Metshameko ya tshamekiwang ka Laboraro ye ke ka gore Stapa sa tshwanetse gore ba tsena jalo mo kampeng ditlhopha tse di tshameka mo tseleng gompieko ke tseleng gore di na le batshameki ba ba tabong ba emela jalo ka mathatso go le ba ka ko Algeria mme ka la bothano metshameko e tla tswela pele re ta go bolelela metshameko e tshamekiwang e meraro ka mahelo beke ano mme hela ke yone eo NAKO United Motshedisana Chiefs 4 p.m. Santa Green Gaborone United 4 p.m. Johaneng Galaxy Orapa United 6 p.m. Township Rollers Black Lions 6 p.m. mme Machi Minyenga itse jalo Swa Flamingos entse eleka ka 6 p.m. Motshameko o leka ko Obed Itani Chilume Stadium. A tsama go tsa the FNB Premiership LB motshameko ya the Khosafa Women Championships e tsweletse pele letse re bona mo tsetsi la mabane ba re ke Masandawana ka bo yelo ba khona gore ba fenye jalo motshameko a bone Stapa sa Sundowns Mane ba fenya jalo the Beauties Stapa se tswa ka kwa Namibia ka notse super go le fela re bona jalo bambana nimbane scoring a hat-trick Ramalepe anosa Makurubetsi anosa mo motshamekong 7 re file tholakele lene anosa ka mo jalo le Mugware me motshameko mongwe no le teng re bona jalo Ndola Girls ba khona gore ba fenye Stapa sa Ntojwa ka notse 5 go tse 3 motshameko e tswela pele mo tsela gompieko ha Stapa sa Gaborone United the Red Roses ka 4:00 ba kopana jalo le Kick for Life Mr. Pasa Rentals ba tsa jalo Olympic de Maron ele ka 3:00 ke lona motshameko e leng gore ya tshamekwa jalo ka ha South Africa a tsoma go tseo go letse go na le motshameko ya the Betway Premiership what a beautiful goal ya Stapa
finally hey bathumba modimo batho ke bao ba khonne metshameko ya maabane hedile hela jalo it was a 1-0 win they got a 1-0 win against Ovid College hanne gongwe ba hile Ovid College mo tsatsing la ntha game ya ntha beke ya ntha gongwe ngabe re bua something else. The other fixtures saw Polokwane City play a goalless draw against Durban City, while Richards Bay took a 1-0 win against Chippa United. Stellenbosch yone ya khona go henya yalo Marumo Gallants ka no elengwe go le fela, while TX Galaxy 2 Siwelele 0. Those were the games that were played yesterday. Le batla tswela mo letsatsing la gompieno at 7:30 you can expect Golden Arrows as they take on Magisi. A big encounter. FNB Stadium. Re tabe re kopanetse mo Kaizer Chiefs welcomes Mamelodi Sundowns to the FNB Stadium. That game will kick off at exactly 7:30 p.m. and another game that will be played at 7:30 p.m. Sekhukhune United Yamagela Jalo Amazulu.
Right. Good luck to Makosi. Stapa sa Kaizer Chiefs ba tsa jalo Masandawana ke ba ka Stapa sa Mamelodi Sundowns Nabi is back reporter is it for good or what we'll see this evening me a re go komela jalo metshameko yone ele ya tshane ya ka motsila mabane go ne go tshamekwa jalo metshameko yone ele the semi-finals Madagascar e khona gore e fanye Sudan ka no eleng go le fela motshameko no e ngwile jalo ko extra time me Morocco le Senegal di tshameka jalo 1-1 went to extra time di apalelana and the defending champions Senegal were knocked out motsila maabane ya ka nne ba fengwa ke Morocco 5-3 ka thago ya di penalty tare ka la bothano go tshamekwa jalo the third place match has Sudan will be taking on Senegal. Madagascar yone e tsa jalo la hatsela Morocco in the finals on Saturday. Me ka itse le gore ha ra go komela jalo tsa Spanish La Liga hona le motshameko o le mongwe o tshamekwa Beko ya ka stapa sa Celta Vigo ba taba kopana jalo le Real Betis a re tsemo go tsa Spanish La Liga go tshamekile metshameko e seng kana ka sepe ya the Carabao Cup. Yeah.
Many fixtures. Let us give you some of the ones that you should be paying attention to. Wolves taking a 3-2. West Ham we to relegate.
No, Bonne is they are going.
Unless they Wolves change. Taking a 3-2 win against West Ham. Another game that you should have seen. Brentford 2, Bournemouth 0. Cardiff City taking a 3-0 win against Cheltenham, while Norwich City fell to a 3-0 loss against Southampton, excuse me. Southampton 3, Norwich 0. And motshameko mongwe o bone Stoke City jalo aitewa yalo 3-0 ke Bradford City. Fulham will welcome Bristol City. Everton has Mansfield Town. Oxford United have Brighton, while Manchester United will travel all the way to Blundell Park to play Grimsby. Those are the fixtures for today's Carabao Cup. It's all the EFL Motamji.
It's all me Leeds Mototila Maabane ba le phile bone ba ntse ke stapa sa Sheffield Wednesday. Merta bona jalo Manchester United motsila gompe go tota hela da not really important. I mean, go Carabao Cup mo
whatever.
Go batsa weekend. Me le gale a tsa jalo mo go tseo. Re go komela jalo the US Open e leng gore e tsweletse pele la go te go dumelang US Open. Medvedev ba re ba ukila betsa di raketa di thuba di how Tota
you lost and that's life. The US Open is continuing. We're going into day 2, day 3, sorry, round 2.
Round 2. Mo ka itse le gore gareng ga metshameko e mengwe ne tshamekiwa mo go yone US Open Zverev o khona gore ene a fenya motshameko wa gagwe ha di bua ka Medvedev o khone jalo gore a tswe mo the US Open ntse ke bona jalo motshameko wa ga Sasha kana Zverev a khona gore a fenya motshameko wa gagwe tswela pele metshameko e o le ka go bo mmene ke bona Coco this morning a khona gore a fenya jalo motshameko wa gagwe mo ka itse le gore gareng ga metshameko e mengwe le gore tabe tshameka Novak Djokovic is in action today. Okay, tell gore Coco Gauff ene na fenya motshameko wa gagwe for 6-7-6 5 6-4 6-7 7-5. Naomi Osaka le ene khona gore a fenye motshameko wa 6-3 6-4 mehela ya kana ke thalosa rta bona jalo the South African Harris motsila gompe kwa kopana jalo le freeze. Novak Djokovic le is going to be action. Type 4 is going to be action. Those are some of the big names le gore nka di tsolohela jalo motsila gompe go ja ka metshameko yone US Open tswelela pele re kgagana ka tseneng jalo mo go tsa metshameko re kopana le tsena kgante jana a tla re buisana jalo le ba le kgotla Botswana Swimming Sport Association ya ka nne ba tso jalo ka go the Junior Championships re te rutwe jalo gore gone ka go ba tsamaile ka tsela entseng.
Sometimes you're not sick or the body is not sick because of foreign illness causing objects, illnesses, bacteria, viruses. Sometimes you're sick because your body fails to do things that it needs to do. And with sugar diabetes, it is an inability to regulate your blood sugar. And your body should be able to do that, but not everybody has the luxury of that. And this morning we are sitting next to a an ophthalmologist, Dr. Kisilwe Khaibolai. He's going to teach us a little bit about what happens when diabetes meets your eyes and it's not good. We're talking diabetic retinotherapy and illness. Retinopathy, excuse me, diabetic retinopathy. You see, he's the medical professional. That's why he gets to correct me. Dr. Khaibolai, good morning. Thank you so much for joining us.
Good morning. Thank you for having me here.
So we're talking a little bit about an illness that affects your eyes, but really is caused by diabetes. Tell me a little bit about what diabetic retinopathy is, and then we'll take it from there.
Okay, thank you for that question. Yeah, so diabetic retinopathy, it means the diabetes has now affected your retina. So what is a retina? Retina is the layer at the back of the eye. That layer is a very thin layer. that has many blood vessels, but very small blood vessels. So the function of that part of the eye, the retina, is more like a film camera, is to capture the images and then send the images to the brain via the optic nerve.
Right.
So what happens with diabetic retinopathy is that because those blood vessels are so thin, because of the high sugar levels over some time, they tend to be the earliest to get damaged. So when they get damaged, now it's difficult for them to perform as they should perform because they start to leak. Also, sometimes they can grow some extra blood vessels on top, making now capturing the images very difficult. So that eventually now the vision starts to get bad.
And when you say vision starts to get bad, how do you mean? Do you mean I eventually go blind? What are what is the gaps? Can I lose my vision completely?
Well, yeah, the worst case scenario is that you can get permanently blind.
Right.
But it's not something that happens just then and there.
Day one.
Exactly.
Right.
But it's something that happens over time.
Of course.
But yes, initially, actually, that's why we need to screen for it, to identify it before actually we can have the thing, the symptoms. Because initially you might be having a bad retinopathy, but you are seeing normal. So it's something that it takes time. It needs to be screened because once you born a guy, sometimes it could be late. But the earlier signs, they could be so confusing in the terms that they are not specific to diabetic retinopathy.
Exactly.
So it can be just maybe floaters, or you see that you are not appreciating colors nicely, like they are kind of faded out.
So kita ke bona mega mebalanya teng light, blue thing ali grayish.
Exactly.
But that isn't unique to diabetic retinopathy.
Exactly.
Yes. Very interesting. But let's walk through some of those early warning signs. For me, I think so this is what ke go re ne re itse gore re tabagala ko ngakeng ha re bonaeng ke tle go go wena ha go iragalang Dr. G.
Ko re gontsana ha o le molwetse wa sukiri, you need to be seen by the eye specialist.
Okay.
In short, that's how it is. So as ha o le molwetse wa sukiri, you need to be seen at least once in a year.
Okay.
Then depending on what that initial screening, and then the doctor can maybe manage how you do the bookings, either 6 months kanaja. But in the event that maybe at that time it's only once in a year. Because like ribua, they are non-specific, and most of the time by the time you see them, it could be a little bit late.
Right.
So the best thing sometimes is just to get screened.
As soon as
right. Immediately get in touch with the eye specialist or our check.
Amen.
Yes.
I love that. That is a positive message. The day hela things sukiri obo ipelela gore annually at least once a year. Ontso ba hanga kenya matho ata go kumela gore go iragalang. So se sengwe se se irang gore re thabe Dr. G ke gone gore nna kana ithele ke sa itse ke ke sologetse go tla go are going to get screened. Ha re bua ka diabetic retinopathy. What does the screening look like? Re dira eng motho gore re bone gore go iragalang mo leitlhong.
Okay, yeah. So the screening we have to like retinopathy, like the retina is at the back of the eye. Maybe you can say the front, the middle, and the back.
Okay.
So the retina is at the back of the eye. And for us to see we have to see that back of the eye. So it's very difficult, or it's not adequate to dilate what we call the pupil. So basically we need to put some drops in your eye so that that opening called the pupil so that we can see a bit more at the back of the eye. So to prepare for that, when you are going for the screening, something like we talked about glaucoma, just be knowing or dilate. If you might need someone to go with you coming back, because how dilate sometimes is a little bit difficult to drive, because you tend to so it's a bit dangerous.
Because sometimes we need to probe a little deeper, and those probes might affect your ability to see after the test, and it's not painful.
Not painful, and
Okay.
also it's temporary,
Okay.
that inability to see.
Right.
It's just
Hey,
like
it's short
a few
term.
hours.
Hey,
and- yeah, so just a few-
You'll still be able to see.
Yes.
And then something else that I'm curious about is, okay, so let's say we do the screening, okay, I'm developing retinopathy. What are my options? First and foremost, I need to know, is this a condition that is, once you have it, you have it? Okay, we're going to get a surgery and you're healed.
Yes, so high screen on diabetic retinopathy. So in early stage, the nice thing about it, or the earlier stages sometimes actually can even reverse, because more retinating, some blood vessels maybe they're starting to develop. There are some way that sometimes, even without having to do some laser we just talk about the control, because to avoid this diabetic retinopathy, you control your sugar very well.
Right.
That's why when you talk about diabetic retinopathy, the general doctors and also the physicians,
Right.
because the best thing actually is to manage the diabetes so that we don't get to diabetic retinopathy. Because diabetic retinopathy, most of the time it happens whereby the sugar is not controlled. In a few cases, it's because maybe you've been on diabetic for many years, maybe after about 15-20 years.
Right.
Even if you're well controlled, you might still get diabetic retinopathy.
Just because of time.
Because of the duration.
Right.
Yes.
Very, very interesting. And then in terms of that management, what advice do we give diabetic patients? Okay, you have diabetes. There is a possibility that if the sugar levels are not managed well on a regular basis, you're going to develop retinopathy.
Yes.
Let's talk a little bit about how are we encouraging them to manage their sugar.
Okay, so like to manage the sugar, in close contact, the endocrinologist, by specialist on sukiri, the physician, the general doctors, because the main issue to control sukiri. So the best thing you can do for yourself, how you manage your sukiri very nicely,
which is
work
your
very
diet.
close with your physician, your diet, exercising, yes, and then also get screened. Because treatment, yes, is there, but the best thing that you might want to do for yourself, don't get there.
Exactly. And you're managing nothing, basically.
Exactly. It's just to look out for those maybe early signs so that we can intervene.
Right. And then in terms of developing diabetes itself, I mean, I'm sure there are a lot of people who are watching and they're like, can I do anything myself in order to manage or avoid developing diabetes over time?
Well, yeah, that one I think it talks about general health or exercise. From what we know, 30 minutes brisk walk, not just walking slowly, chatting.
Right.
Well, you can chat, but walk a bit faster so that you can sweat a bit.
That little sweat, you need to see it.
Exactly. Right. That brisk walking, eating well, basically those things. But otherwise, diabetic, sometimes you might still do those things because of your genetic predisposition. You might still get it.
Right, so, because there are different types of diabetes.
Exactly.
Of course.
Exactly.
If you are catching us as we've continued with our conversation, I am sitting down with ophthalmologist. His name is Dr. Kisilwe Khaibolai. Dr. Khaibolai is teaching us about diabetic retinopathy, a condition it develops sukiri among your eye, specifically your retina, which is at the back of your eye, and it affects the vessels that carry your blood to that part of your eye, which is your retina, right? So because of the lack of sugar leveling or management in your body, it affects those vessels, which are very, very thin, which are very, very thin, and because they're thin, they are affected more by high blood sugar levels, and then it affects your ability to see. The picture is blurry, the color is grainy, and it affects your ability to see over time, and it can end up leading to blindness. So Dr. G, your final message to your patients, to people watching, to people living with diabetes, family members of diabetic patients, what is your final message?
Yes, my final message could be that, I know some people, they don't know much about this issue, but I hope whoever is watching, from now on, you know someone who has diabetes, please refer them to the eye specialist so that they can be screened.
Right.
Because if we catch them early, there's a lot we can do. We catch them late, yes, there's a lot that we can still do, but the chances of regaining vision, they are very, very low.
Yeah.
Because it can cause actually permanent blindness. It can get to a point whereby now, no matter what we do, you can still be blind.
Yeah.
And also, in terms of managing the diabetic retinopathy, the important thing also, manage your sugar levels. Because if you don't manage your sugar levels, whatever we do, it will not help. I can assure you that. As long as the sugar levels are not controlled, it will not help.
So work with your team of doctors, include an ophthalmologist or an eye specialist in that process, and manage your sugar levels. These are the advices coming from Dr. G this morning. Thank you all so much for always coming in and teaching us a little bit about what's going on with our eyes.
It's a pleasure. Thank you so much.
That is how we wrap up our first conversation of the morning. Remember, this one is specifically for patients living with diabetes. Annually, at least once a year, you need to go and get your eyes checked to make sure that you're not developing this condition. Develop at all. But if it is at the latter stages, we can help you manage and live a better life. Anyway, that is how we wrap it up. We're going to now jump into our first news bulletin for the day. Reginald Richardson is on standby to give you the news in full in SETSWANA.
Artana jalo ka thamalo mo go tsa metshameko ne ke soletse ba yeng ba swimming what happened, but anyway, let's move on because at the end of it all life goes on. Tare jalo go ba le khota la Botswana Tennis Association ba ileng gore ha gona le batho ba ileng gore ke ke bui gore banna ba le busy banna ba bereka ke bona ba le khota le mo tsile maabane ne ke go bolela jalo ka Ntungamile gore le tsa tshameka jalo metshameko ya J100 e tshwaretseng jalo ka ko la hatsela la South Africa ka ko Joburg. Tere go bitsana le moeteledipele wa le khota la Botswana Tennis Association ki bajela ka re wa itse Thipe. Re Thipe, good morning, thank you so much for joining us, my brother. How are you?
Le babogedi ba morning show.
Right, so go ngwebile hela ta ke go tshwarela gone ha re simolle ka jalo the two-legged J30 sen re di tshwere mono gae gore le ka re di tsamaile ka tselentseng jang khonne re ithutile eng re bone e se tshwanetseng gore ga re tshegetsa gape gongwe re ka se bankanya.
Emma, the 2 weeks went very well. Besides, our players got the valuable points in improving the rankings. Most of our players by the tournament, we had the under 14s, Bo Malak, Bo Chinache, Bo Angela. These are pathway players. But replacer, Bontingamil, Lebonebe ba national team. So that's very good to expose the development side, but also on the economical side. We had close to 100 players and coaches and parents Botswana for 2 weeks. But the flight, so it was good both contributing to the economy and also for development side.
Right. Let's talk about the competitiveness of this J30s. It was really tough for our players. I mean, in terms of growth, tournament, the competitive side of it now, more thing. I think the singles, the best performance in the first leg we had was Sabo going to the quarterfinals.
Different players different expectations. The likes of Bosabo, we want them to go all the way. The likes of Butchinashe, next year, we want them they're still 14. So with different players, we have different expectations. The results but next year we want the likes of Bobo Chinashe, Bobo Malak, Lebaba, Koreano, hosted the J30. They are doing very well. Remember, later this year we're going to have J100. Now I know would have the likes of Buntunganili. I had later season ebile a ipatla di-points tse e le gore ke tsona tsa Australian Junior Open.
Right. And talking about Ntungamile, Okako Joburg kwelong gore ho J100 gone ka ko, he was in action mo tsela Maabane. Can you kindly update us on that?
Emma, Maabane ga tshameka sentle. He lost to Israel guy without the Jack Lavin 6-3, 7-5. Ba proceeded to the double quarterfinals mo tsela Maabane. Kana mo biting ene fetang tingana hetsa ho reach di quarterfinal tsa la hetsa ho reach di final tsa the under 16 ko France po ile go tshameka French Open e dira hela ha hetsa match ha go ba tsena mo planning atabogela ko Joburg. So now he'll be mo Joburg and Pretoria for the next 4 weeks a tshameka di J100 and J200 le go guarantee a place ya ka go ya Junior Australian Open ka January 2022.
Right, that's nice. A ruta jalo ka ba bangwe re thipe gore we up to
Emma. We're going to be hosting the J100 at the end of the year, November. We expect all these players who are competing. Last week also we had a team in Zimbabwe. We had PHATWE making it all the way to the doubles finals, under 14, next month, which is October, we'll be having a team in Tunisia, under 14. Africa Junior Championships, Master. The objective is these under 14s are trying to qualify for season-ending championships go Florida. Only the top 3 more continent in Africa.
Baba golwane ba kae ba ilong gore re nna re ba Botswana mo dinakong ka bone gore they are playing ka ko USA. Any update on them?
Emma, Baba Batameka College, America. We just had Kua has transferred to University of Santa Barbara. That's one of the top universities in California. I represent Mobiligine. Number 3. Number 3, Mo team was very tough, made of 12 teams, including Morocco. Chelsea Lene, she just landed go University of Hampton, go Virginia. University of California Technic, California. These players were about the whole semester, and then where they are January. Breaking about Tameka professional 35,000 WTA tournament. I patang sa horata Tameka yon Bobiligine le baba we at the likes of Botswana le batlo ba Tameka the whole year that's why Lord our pathway most of the time is to take these kids to the US where Lord kana ko ga gona go dira sentle mo league yone na NCAA o placed into the US Open and other big tournaments like Cincinnati.
Re thipe lebogileng khonne re tanna ntse re buisana re ba jalo Botswana mo dinakong ka ha ileng gore le tshware ka teng kana le dira ka teng gone ka go lekgotela Botswana Tennis Association a tsitsila go nne le lente
emba ke lebo
right re ne re buisana re wa itse thipe nna re ba jalo mo dinakong ka bone jalo bana ba rona ele ba tennis gore ba ira ka tselentseng ya ka o itse ya le gore Ntungamile o na tshameka jalo J100 le gore o letse a tswa jalo ka go thoka le sego mo tsela Maabane morago ga gore a lathegelo mme re taba re ntse re nna re ntse re go ba mo dinakong gore gone mme ba ira yang ja ka le gore le bone ba ipankanyetsa jalo go tshegetsa metshameko yone ele ya J100. Arsujalo mahotse ro kumela go ba le khotala Botswana Tennis Association ba ileng gore ba letse ba romela jalo se thopa ka ko le hatsela Zimbabwe gona ka ko ba go tsenela metshameko yone e le ya region 5 o ka itsele gore the send off ceremony ene e tshwaretse jalo ka ko Francistown e le gone jalo go ba le go go gore ba ye go remela sente ha motho a ka ba ka tselentsi jalo ya ka ba le ba jalo go yone metshameko e le ya region 5 a ruto jalo dibui ha di bua ka ko the send off ceremony.
Ipaakanyo ma e nnile teng gore ne ga ya nna ka ne re leditse ka teng kgoreleditswe ke tsone dikgetho tsa madi ga ra ka ra kgona go ba grupa gore ba nne go le ngwahela ka nako e ne re planetse gore camp ya rona e simole ka di-18 but e na hela e simotse ka di-20 e le gone kgang tsa madi mme le ga go ntse jalo bana ba ne ba ntse ba trainiwa ko dikolong.
Ke itumetse re be ka emela lehatswe konte gape a sala ntha so ke sologetse go le gontsi tota.
Bongwana ka let me just say good luck. Go and do your best.
Ke leleletsa masego le matlhogonolo re beile mo go lona ebile ka re le ye go sireletsa sejana sa lona le boe ka sone.
Le santse le swereana na ke batele boa le iphothele.
Thank you for the help, but anyway re taba re ba setse morago le bone ba le khotala datse gore ba ira ka tsela e ntseng jang gone ka ko ya ka le gore la ha tsela Botswana ke the defending champions gore gone mme ba ira jang ka ko la ha tsela Zimbabwe ko metshamekong yone e le ya region 5 a re tsemo go tsere go ba jalo mo dinakong ka tse dingwe tse leng gore di a diragala ja ka o itselo gore mo kgweding ya September go tabe go lebiwa jalo ka ko Tokyo ko le gore gone ka ko go tsenelwa jalo the world championships ke ba jalo ka tsa athletics mme ba le khota la Botswana Association ba ta tshwara jalo the official send off ceremony ya stopper se se le banjalo gone ka ko Japan e ta tshwarang jalo ka tsatsi la bothano go romela jalo se thapa le gone go se rola semmuso gore sente re le hatse re romela bo mangwane ka ko o ka itselo gore amongst others o ka solohela bo letsile tebogo ka solohela jalo bo kholedi kibina tshipi ke ba o ka solohela the tried and tested ba itse mo malatsi o the gore ha re bua jalo ka athletics mono gae re ka bua ka bone mme bile ha re ntse re le mo go tsone tsa athletics o itse yalo gore e taro hanso le mo social media bo bona jalo go buiwa thata ka Diamond League because it is the Diamond League final tomorrow. Rena jalo le batabogi ba le mmalwa ba leng gore batabo ba tsa karolo jalo gone go ba kgala ao ele Diamond League mme matho othe le ha tselothe whether you like it or not matho othe a mo lebelo la 200 meters go le gore le tsile tebogo nta ba taboga jalo against Noah Lyles go setse go simolotse go ira the build up gore o season best ta go ke bokahe ya ga yo ke bokahe personal best o tabogile na go e ka he yo tabogile na go e ka he last competitions go iragetseng what happened ka ko Paris ke tsone tse leng gore ka nna ntse di bona thata on social media ha go biwa jalo ka tsone tsa athletics ya ka tare mo tsela ka moso e be go tshware jalo one makgala kgang ao ele Diamond League ke ta go bolalla sente mo tsela ka moso gore dinako di eme ka tselentseng ja le tsile tebogo o ka bua jalo ka ba ya Pondori Colin Kibina Tshipi ke bangwe ba eleng gore ka ba solohela gore ba le go gone makgala khanya ao ele one a Diamond League tsone tse le go di a diragala go le khotela Botswana Athletics Association mme gongwe ke go gakolle jalo gape gore hona le metshameko e tshamekiwang ele metshameko ya the FNB Premiership ha gare ga beke yana o ka itsela gore metshameko eo ele mebedi e tshamekiwa jalo ka nako ya bone ha metshameko e mengwe e tshamekiwa jalo ka nako ya boraro ka nako ya bone ka go Samsono Stadium Stapasa NAKO United ba magala jalo mochudisana Chiefs Stapasa sa majombolo ga gakologelwa ka tsetsile la bothano mo bekeng e hitileng ba ne ba le mo tropo kgolo ga borone ba tshameka maleka a 1-1 le Gaborone United ha mochudisana Chiefs yone he tsana mo motshamekong o ga go fenya calendar stars ka nno tse thataro go elengwe go teiragalang ko Snandawa re ta bona jalo mo gone motshameko ono me Santa Green yone eleng gore ene e fenya extension Ganas ka nno elengwe go lefela batao ba tsa jalo Gaborone United ka ko Phalape Stadium Abdres ya ka ke thalosane ba tshameka maleka a 1-1 le NAKO United Joining Galaxy ba ileng gore ba ne ba fenya jalo Black Lions ka nno lengwe go lefela mo mahelo baking batabo ba amogela jalo Orapa United ba ileng gore ga ba simolla sente ba simolotse ka maleka a lefela kgathano le Police 11 ba lethegelwa ka nno lengwe go lefela kgathano le Swa Flamingos ba go ira ka tselentsenyang stopper seo sa Orapa United motshameko one o ka nako ya borataro mme o ka itsele gore e lentse le ka nako ya borataro ka go Gaborone United Stadium Maplastina Township plus moraga gore ba simolole liki ka go fenya matebele ka nno tse pedi go lefela ba fenya jalo stopper sa morupile wa ndase ka nno tse pedi go elengwe ba go ira ka tselentsenya mo motshamekong wa bone wa boraro ba amogela jalo stopper sa Black Lions ba simolotseng ka go latlhegelwa metshameko ya bone e mebedi stopper seo sa gare se bata gore ba go ira ka tselentseng jang kgathanong le Township plus ha ile ka ko Obed Itani Chilume Stadium stopper sa Traffic Machiminyenga ba amogela jalo Swa Flamingos o ka gakologelwa jalo re Mandla Mpofu o kile a katisa stopper sone se sa Swa Flamingos o ta ba tshwere eng kgathano le Machiminyenga ba simolotseng jalo ka go tshameka Maleka le Center Green ba fenya Police 11 ka no tse tharo go tse pedi. As for Swa Flamingos 100% record ba kgona go fenya metshameko ya bone e mebedi ya league e neng ba simolla ka yone ke mengwe ya metshameko e leng gore o ka sologela jalo ele ya the FNB Premiership mo tsela gompieko ha le ka South Africa gone motshameko e leng gore ke a dumela batho ka bontsi ba tabo ba o libile e tabele ka kwa FNB Stadium ya ka stopper sa Makhosi Kaizer Chiefs ba baletse mo tsela maabane ba tlhalosa gore ba kwadisa jalo le boga Maboe gore ba go ira ka tselentse yang ha ba kopana le Mamelodi Sundowns e neng e latlhegelwa ka thego ya di penalty over the weekend kgathano le Orlando Pirates mo metshamekong yone e le ya MTN 8 re tabarele ha mo tsela ka moso go ba jalo mo dinakong gore gone mme go iragetse ka tselentseng jang mo metshamekong e leng gore e tshamekilwe jalo mo tsatsing la gompieko re go bea jalo mo dinakong ka tsone tsa Diamond League ga mmogo jalo le tse e leng gore ditabo di diragala as we will be building up to the weekend re kgana ka tselentseng jalo mo go tsa metshameko re kopana gape le tsone mo tsatsing la kamoso ke bua Karabo Miss K Bosena until tomorrow bye bye.
Thamalo mo puisanong ya rona bobedi le ne ga re lanjelo mthulanya dumela Botswana mo sa gompieko ke nagana le bomme ba le babedi ba tara ba sente mo sa gompieko ba re tshwaretse eng ja ka ke go boletse gone mme the snippet of it ke gone gore ba tswa jalo ka ko Opela Nana is an initiative that actually a platform rather that blends education and entertainment to nature there's young souls le gore di bla re bana mme mo sa gompieko ke nagana le mme Mpho Sibina ga mmogo le Jade Solomon. Good morning ladies.
Good morning.
How you doing?
We're good, thank you.
Guys, I am overwhelmed. You look pretty. You look beautiful.
Thank you.
Yeah.
You look quite dead for yourself.
But anyway, I'll start it like this. What inspired the formation and the foundation of Opela Nana?
Thank you so much for having us, first of all.
You're welcome.
My name is Jade Solomon, and I'm here with my co-founder, co-director, and partner in most things. So we're here to talk about Opela Nana, which is an edutainment platform that seeks to just like preserve language and celebrate culture through at early stages. So that's really what Opela Nana is about.
Right.
Yes.
Mpho Sibina, welcome to Dumela Botswana.
Thank you so much for having us.
Yeah, I know you're familiar with that stage,
yes.
not this couch.
Yeah.
Right. What did you want to achieve with the formation of Dumela Nana? What was the core objective and the aims of this platform?
Opela Nana was really inspired by, you know, the young minds that we have, particularly we are family, and it was really inspired by the children that we have Molapeng. You know, we have kids at home, and, you know, we were then exposed to the world of edutainment, and it kind of, we came to the realization, there's not that much content or no content at all that is centered around Setswana languages, and we wanted to fill that gap and create content that is directed to Botswana and teaching people Setswana languages.
All right. Jade, let's now start to speak more about Opela Nana. What happens in Opela Nana? What is that? Is that a playbook? Is it something that you get on the internet? And how does it even operate for somebody like this platform?
The good thing about Opela Nana, it has potential to expand in different ways, but right now we're focused on digital platforms. We are on all social media. Hopefully we can also get on national television, but I guess we are here now. The people are watching. But essentially it is for digital platforms, like where parents can get access from their homes, and
Yeah, so what you're basically saying is that it's actually on all social media platforms whereby mosadi khona go tsena ba a tshamekela ngwana and then ngwana starts playing along or singing along.
Yes.
Right. Make us understand how this platform then integrates education and entertainment and how you ensure that it also supports the cognitive development in children.
So we chose music as our main driver to educate Bana because we found that early minds or children who are exposed to music at a young age, it kind of develops a lot of different elements in their cognitive development, from speech to problem solving to improving their memory. And we find that, you know, a lot of young minds in that early stages from 0 to 6, when they are exposed to music, they are, you know, have higher IQs, they are more emotionally well preserved, or there's an improvement in their emotional well-being. So we chose music to facilitate a positive cognitive development in children.
One of the biggest concerns right now is health, and one would think bana ga bana mathata a but research and psychologists continue to say bana hela ba simla ba khona go bua le go ba ikutlwa ya mama ke sore ke tala mama ha ke rata ga ke how do you as Opela Nana address this issue, particularly with how children are consuming the content in the internet, Ms. Solomon?
Currently we are focused on joyful learning, joy meaning like music, you know, feel good, a bit of fun. Yes, feel good, colors and stuff in that regard. But in terms of mental health, I think it takes also inclusion of the parents to be around and be aware of what their children are watching and being in control of that environment. Just because when only be screening, you can't control what comes on the next video. So just be interactive with your child, learn the songs with them, play with them, and
Right. Culture is an important element of how has it influenced how you make content for these children? Do you even have it, and how do you make sure that I don't think 1 or 6 years or 12 years. You know what, because let me just go and watch Opela Nana. How does culture influence the content that you give Opela Nana?
Yeah, like Jade had mentioned before, Tota, our main aim is to preserve culture through languages, through music. And really Botswana, Tota, we've taken pride in this initiative to drive our various SETSWANA languages through music. We found that our kids but they don't know it ka SETSWANA, moso ka sekala ka moso ka sekgalagadi, which is languages that we're trying to explore with this program. So we will start with languages, but you know, there are some cultural games and elements that we will try to, that we would definitely will incorporate into Opela Nana as time goes on.
At a young age. Now tell us this, concern screen time, or spend less time on the screen and more time connecting with nature. How do you incorporate this more in this platform? Other platforms, a minute, so that and then you focus on other things to do. How does Dumela Nana regulate screenplays or Banaba Pitala or in the gadgets or on the TV?
We definitely have short form content in that regard. This is a grassroots project, and right now, like Mpo mentioned, there are 3 focused languages that we are mainly aiming to put out there. So we recently released the SETSWANA element, like Lentsele Bona, Opela Nana, with Mebala SETSWANA. So more dibekens in di tla sensara go launcha letsa sekala ka then le sekgalagadi. So as back to the point, which is short form content, yes, you keep it there, practice, sing along with your kids, then you can go outside and play, and then share the content that it spreads.
I think just to add on to what she's saying, it's also really up to parents to monitor what their kids are doing at home. Yes, screen time and overindulgence in screen time does have its negatives, but it's really up to us to be socially aware enough with our children to be like, okay, fine, screen time make is enough, but then afterwards, let's go outside.
Right. How long has Opela Nana been available for? How long has it been?
This is a
project. I wanted to ask the question, if you are relatively new in the market, have you incorporated catered for children with special needs? It's like I think I like this, but community.
Thank you so much for that question, because I think, you know, when we developed this project, we were really not aware and maybe not as cognitive about special needs and such. And like we said, it is a very early project, and these are things that we plan on expanding on and developing as time goes on. But we'd like to think that music is a universal language, and it is something that will resonate with children of all types of learning abilities and disabilities.
Yeah, right. I love it. I love it, and I love the honesty as well.
Yes.
Let me tell you a little story. I once had a cousin who pudi so I was sorry pudi malama about pepole, but it was in a seta. So ever since he learned how to pudi seta, so more because oratile cast on a sentence I want to ask you this now. What is any success story can I carry any testimonial that a parent has brought to you because of Opela Nana?
You know, we've had a few in the short space that we've had, and like just how you brought it back home, I'd like to also bring it back home. I think after we launched the first one, but I send the voice note. Send the voice note. Yeah, no, I get a good WhatsApp family group. On some, they recognize Umpo's voice, so it would be like, Auntie Umpo, did you make this song for me? You know, and it would be like, yes, I did. I would be like, thank you, thank you. I mean, and then also there's King, like for example, Ready King, also like I believe King in that moment, even if they don't even know the meaning, it's just like relation. Oh, Kibid,
like I'm saying, because there is a color called
exactly. But also melodically, I feel like we have like melodies that allow children to catch on really well, even if they don't understand what they say. So yeah,
right. I think because Opela Nana is educational more than entertaining. Education comes first before entertaining. I'm now assuming that there is a collaboration between teachers, psychologists, or even parents. Is there any collaboration, and if not, what should you expect from you in the future in terms of who you want to collaborate with?
Yeah, we're definitely looking to collaborate with different entities, from psychologists to teachers. We'd love to be able to go into schools and get out of the screen and have more interactive programs with the children themselves in learning the music, in dancing a little bit, and incorporating some physical movement. And yeah, we're really excited to see how we can grow and incorporate Opela Nana into a more personal and interactive space.
Before I let you go, ladies, are there any opportunities for the community or just sponsorship involvement to try and actually help you or just support your mission? Do you need any help?
We are totally open to the help. Firstly, your help would be supporting the movement. Listen in, share the product, you know, when you're online, send it to people people in the diaspora, even us here, you know, we are learning as well, Nebala, what it is, and like different things. So that's the kind of support we need, you know.
You can find us on all social media platforms. It's Opela Nana on YouTube, on Facebook, on Instagram, on TikTok. And you can reach out to us at opelanana@gmail.com if you would like to get in touch with us in terms of collaboration. But right now, please like, share, and subscribe.
Definitely do that. Jade Solomon Lemposibina, thank you very much, ladies.
Thank you so much.
All right, Jade Solomon Lemposibina, the co-founders of Opela Nana. It is a platform. Rutanjalo Banabar Nakora by today. Meditates are Nakaharlana, SETSWANA, Sahalagadi, Mere Banzai to Jalo, and Bobalorano Bajamanatania, and Kanawizoro Manela, how much is still Manatan, and never gave a balabala. Make Pisan Arabi Bilajalo, Mosoa, Kumpi Kumuna Botswana, Kobukuton, Sesson Salet in Kore, LB at the Hot of Harajalo Mosoa, LABORARO. Mahatma Gandhi said, real wealth is real health. And in terms of what you're trying to do for them, education. I'm saying this because I just said right now to two amazing ladies. They are doing this for the kids that are already there. Imagine all for free. Confidence. How beautiful is that?
And it's such an important thing to be doing, especially now in a time where we're talking a lot about the importance of diversity, the importance of children being able to see themselves in the education system, to see their languages in their everyday lives. And a big shout out to Jade Solomon and Posibina for making it possible and also doing it in such a cool way.
It's such a cool way,
right?
yeah.
I think it's so cool to be able to use technology, but not just technology, but also childlikeness. A childlike approach to teaching. So good luck to them, and guys, keep visiting the site, keep using and learning and helping your kids learn.
Yeah, it is Opela Nana on Facebook, Opela Nana on TikTok, as well as on Instagram. Most importantly on YouTube. But can YouTube you're not talking about so it is your responsibility as a parent to make sure that one how height the me. You actually also had a very interesting conversation.
Yeah.
Like you say, foreign body heights so other conditions can actually be detrimental to your vision.
Exactly, and it's just a reminder that when we speak about diabetic patients, it is important for you to annually get a checkup. Is my retina okay, or am I developing diabetic retinopathy? I always find it so difficult to say some of these words. And keep on managing your sugar levels, keep on eating well, keep on exercising, take a lot of water intake, increase your water intake, and just keep healthy and do your best in order to avoid the development of illnesses such as diabetes, or if you're diabetic, conditions such as retinopathy.
Right, and it is also coming up the breastfeeding month. Exactly, WHO know the importance of why you are doing it. No, they said it last week. But doesn't only come with the benefits of the child as well. How
it also affects your hormones and how your body develops after giving birth. It's part of the process of healing. And also we need to let go of this idea that Madi is at the center of everything, where we early because let's figure out the best.
So basically,
way.
say money is not everything.
Money is not everything. It's not the end all and be all. And your child can benefit from having you at home and having the breast feeding process, and not just the breast milk, because a lot of people pump, but not just the breast milk, but the process of breastfeeding. It's very important for child development. So if you can and if you're able, make that decision for your child.
All right. There's a lot happening for the midweek fixtures as well as basketball.
And that's how we wrap it up. It is Dumela Botswana, the breakfast show. We're back again tomorrow. It's Thursday tomorrow, which means Kota to weekend.
It's agriculture. We're talking all things too. Me, I'm Btv-Dikgang.
And I'm Leboa LB Moring. Have a good day.